This is the untold story of a very special 1970 Karmann Ghia Convertible. When we found her, she wasn't in a showroom. She was in a junkyard, sunburned, dusty, and looking like she'd lost a fight with a lawnmower. But she wasn't abandoned. She was just waiting for a ride home. The day we loaded her up wasn't just a tow. It was a jailbreak. And now she's in full glow-up mode, getting cleaned, repaired, and brought back to life one stubborn bolt at a time. And here's the best part. When she's fully restored, she'll be donated to raise money for several incredible charities. So the little car that almost got scrapped is about to help save and change lives. Stick around to see how you can be part of her comeback for as little as 75 cents a ticket. But sometimes all it takes is someone willing to see what it can be. She was given another chance, now she's helping give one back. And someone's second chance might start with you.
Hi, this is my 1970 Karmann Ghia project car. You might have seen it in some of the videos that I've had, that I've been working on. Just about ready for me to lift the body off the floor pans. It's going to be in the next video. We're going to go over to the other side now. Right there.
All right, want a chance to win this 1970 Karmann Ghia Convertible? Because let's be honest, it deserves a good home, preferably one with a clean garage. Go to the web address on the screen or the link in the description and grab your tickets. You can buy as little as one ticket And pricing ranges from $2 down to just 75 cents each. Yes, the more you buy, the cheaper they get. It's basically responsible math. And every ticket helps support some great charities. Halfway Home Pet Rescue, Children's Miracle Network, Catholic Charities Food Bank, the Dorset Equine Rescue. Got another charity in mind? Drop it in the comments. We can't promise we'll pick it, but we promise we'll read it. To qualify, buy at least one ticket, watch the videos start to finish, subscribe, like, and comment. Simple. Thanks for watching. Good luck, you.